The pens that I used in this video are the Scribblicious gel pens. This is the 60 box. They fit in the machine without any adapters. They fit into the pen tool that comes with the machine. So you have like the glitter ones. These are metallics. They're the neon. There's neon and fluorescent. To be honest, there's not like a massive difference, but the pastels are amazing. I love the pastels. And these ones are the neon. They're kind of slightly more they're fluorescent. These are the fluorescent ones. They're slightly more like metallic to me, to be perfectly honest. But they're gorgeous. They're really, really nice. The pink in this like really pops.